Good morning to all. It's so wonderful to see you all here at this pleasant morning. The sun and I offers you a warm and cordial welcome. On the behalf of MMDU University and College of Nursing, it's our privilege and distinct honor to welcome all the respected delegates, speakers, and distinguished faculty at the workshop titled as Virtual Annual Workshop for Nursing Students on Soft Skill Training Enhancing Transition to Workplace. As you all know, light symbolizes knowledge, and knowledge is the everlasting wealth. And light removes the darkness. So before starting our workshop, I request Mr. Erar to please play the invocation song. It was indeed a spiritual and divine experience for all. Words are the rose petals sprinkled with the warm greetings. I now request Professor Uma Devar Ma'am, HOD Community Health Nursing, to kindly deliver the welcoming remarks.
And all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this first virtual annual workshop for nursing students on soft skill training enhancing transition to workplace. On behalf of the MMDU and College of Nursing fraternity, I would like to welcome each and every nursing students of MMCon and MMIN for participating in this workshop. I hope you all will be enhanced in the area of soft skills, which has become the part of our life skill today, to manage in our home, among friends, and above all in our workplace. I take this time to welcome Dr. Mrs. Jyoti Serene, Director Principal, College of Nursing, for her enthusiasm in making this workshop happen. Ma'am has more than 30 years of rich experience in the field of nursing, and even during this pandemic time, she made sure that the students were able to complete all their requirements and are well equipped and informed for their future. Because of ma'am's effort and support and guidance, we were able to make this workshop happen. We welcome you, ma'am. I welcome Mrs. Adiba Siddiqui, Principal of School of Nursing and Professor in OBG Department, who has more than 19 years of teaching experience and has been associated with GNM Baccalaureate M.sc Nursing program. Ms. Adiba is the organizing secretary for this workshop and has been continuously online to shape the workshop to this level. Ma'am has been very keen and active throughout the preparation of this workshop. We welcome you, ma'am. I, Ms. Uma Deva, has been working in our college since 2013 June as HOD and Professor in Community Health Nursing. I have more than 30 years of experience, out of which 9 years in clinicals. During my clinical experience, I have worked as staff nurse, senior staff nurse, and as nursing supervisor, and this has given me knowledge as to what a freshly graduated nurse will go through and how it is to be an in-charge nurse. I too, as organizing secretary for the workshop, made sure that the best soft skill training will be provided to you. The meaning of soft skill emphasizes our personal attributes which enables us to interact effectively and harmoniously with other people. People can get into problems just because they are not aware of the way to interact and get the things done. Nurses need to develop their soft skills to efficiently work that they can lead peaceful and problem-free life. Today's world is full of competition and we need to outstand it. You nursing students will soon be on your own and will be facing different type of situations in your workplace, whether as staff nurse or community health nurse or as clinical instructors. In this workshop, we have chosen 5 different themes which are basic components of professionalism. This will help you to understand, comprehend, and apply these soft skills in your future. This is a workshop, and hence you will be given case scenarios as exercises to work upon, and this will be helpful to you later on. Once again, I welcome you all for this 5 days, 2 hours each day virtual annual workshop. All the best to all the organizing students and the participating students. Take care, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for delivering the welcoming remarks. I now request Professor Adiba Siddiqui ma'am to kindly unfold the theme and discuss the objectives of the workshop.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Adiba Siddiqui, as workshop coordinator, I had a privilege to unfold the today's workshop theme, that is empowering and building up the soft skill for future nurses. Soft skills are the complement of hard skill because soft skills are the character traits and independent skill that characterize the person's relationship with other people. Soft skill will help the student to take their own decision where they can work independently and flourish their profession. So today is a virtual workshop, annual workshop, which is there to empower and build up the soft skill of our students, nursing students. So at the end of the workshop, students will be able to improve their communication skill, as communication is the basic soft skill. So communication skill, and they will be able to display the more confident and willingness towards the work, because they'll be better able to handle the situation in the critical situation. They have clarity of their work. They will be more able to take the decision and solve their problem. This also helps the student to work harder and harder because they know how to work as per the situation. So soft skill make our nursing student more competent to give quality care to the patient, better patient care, and directly or indirectly they are uplifting our professional standards. So I hope at this workshop I would like to wish to my M.sc second year students to successful completion of this workshop. So wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for unfolding the theme and for telling the objectives of the workshop. Now, I would like to thank our Honorable Principal, Dr. Ms. Jyoti Sareen ma'am, for guiding us throughout the planning of this workshop. Ma'am, thank you so much for your valuable feedback and for your valuables that has helped us a lot for making this workshop a successful one. It matters a lot, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now I would like to thank Professor Uma Devar ma'am. Ma'am, you have helped us a lot throughout this workshop. You have worked with us throughout the nights. Ma'am, thank you so much for correcting us, for suggesting us every time. And now I would like to thank Professor Adiba Siddiqui ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much for your guidance, for your suggestions, and for all that you have done for planning this workshop. Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to thank Mr. Erar for the technical support system. Erar, thank you so much. Also, I would like to thank all our classmates, each and every member of M.sc Nursing second year. Without you all, it would not have been possible to plan this workshop and to run it smoothly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the students that have participated in each of the committees and have done so much hard work for making this workshop a successful one. Thank you so much. And I now request all the participants and the speakers to kindly take forward the sessions. Thank you so much.